The transformation begins here, at one of the world's largest tire recycling facilities.
Clear the bay. We got a heavy one coming through.
Before mechanical processing begins, tires pass through high-pressure washing systems that remove mud, oil residue, and embedded gravel from the surface.
We're inspecting the tire bead here, which is the steel ring embedded in the rubber edge. We have to ensure its integrity before the next stage.
In just a few dozen seconds, the steel core is completely extracted.
Each tire is inspected for remaining metal fragments, ensuring blade protection and material purity downstream. The secondary grinder uses high-speed rotating hammers to break the rubber down to smaller particle sizes. The separated steel can be sold to metal recyclers, adding economic value to the process.
Modern recycling facilities use automated systems to monitor and optimize every stage of the process.
At the end of the production line, all material passes through a classification screening system, separating rubber by particle size. Visual inspection catches any remaining contaminants that could compromise the final product. Approved crumb rubber is transferred to storage silos where it awaits the next stage, drying and blending with bitumen. Different particle sizes serve different industrial applications, from playground surfaces to rubberized asphalt. For some applications, the crumb rubber is packaged and shipped to customers in precisely measured bags. Before rubber can be blended with bitumen, it must undergo dedicated drying and heating to reach the ideal condition for mixing. In modern production lines, this process is tightly controlled, using temperature sensors and airflow regulation systems. As the material tumbles inside, moisture is gradually driven off while the surface of each rubber particle becomes dry and more chemically active.
Thermal imaging monitors temperature distribution in real time, preventing scorching while ensuring complete drying.
At the molecular level, the dried surface is now primed for chemical bonding, the key to creating durable rubberized asphalt. Immediately after drying and preheating, the crumb rubber enters the bitumen blending stage, where the true value of recycling is created. As rubber meets bitumen at 340 degrees, the transformation process begins. A process that increases the viscosity of the mixture while significantly improving elasticity and crack resistance. By the end of this stage, the rubberized asphalt reaches a homogeneous and stable state.
Ready to be used in asphalt concrete production, where discarded tires are now officially part of a new generation of resilient road infrastructure.
Immediately after the recycled tire-based asphalt mixture is fully blended, it is discharged into specialized dump trucks whose beds have been preheated. At the time of loading, the temperature is typically maintained between 270 and 300 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing the mixture to retain its workability and self-leveling properties during transport to the paving site.
All right, back it up slow, keep it coming straight. Easy now, you're almost there, hold it.
All units, we are rolling out. Watch for dust on the main access road.
Copy that, lead truck, we're holding formation.
While the screed plate at the rear lays down the asphalt at a precisely controlled thickness, most commonly between 1.5 and 3 inches.
Temperature is critical. Bitumen loses bonding capability if cooled too quickly.
Within just a few hours, the recycled tire asphalt hardens and is ready to reopen to traffic. Quality control confirms the pavement meets all engineering specifications.
Roads once considered at the end of their service life are given a new beginning.
Under the constant stress of traffic loads, even rubberized asphalt gradually deteriorates.
Pull.
Okay, clear that out.
Are weighed, assigned batch numbers with their excavation zone before leaving the site.
Rubberized asphalt is more than a technical upgrade. It is proof that environmental problems can be engineered into practical solutions.
Create durable, smoother roads from worthless tires, changing how society values waste. Value lies in how people choose to use it.
This section came out exactly as planned.
The surface quality is superb. Great work, team.